Something a little different today. There is no new ʻŌlelo episode this week as the crew are on well-deserved vacations. In the meantime, I thought I'd share a bit more about the restoration of ex-Navy locomotive number 174. One of only 3 narrow-gauge Whitcomb 65-ton center cab switchers, number 174 once pulled ammunition trains between Naval Magazine Lualualei and Pearl Harbor, part of the critical rail logistics network that supported the Navy's Pacific operations during and after World War II. She became part of the Hawaiian Railway Society collection in 1975, but sat neglected for over 35 years. By 2011, the locomotive was in poor condition, gradually deteriorating out on track 1. That is, until volunteers John, Mike, and Lou decided to bring her back to life. John began a cosmetic restoration, stripping away old paint and rust and applying a fresh coat of post-war navy yellow. Next came the mechanical resurrection. Mike and Lou began working on the diesel engines, electrical systems, and running gear, putting in many hours to make the locomotive operational again. In the years that followed, number 174 underwent additional bodywork and received 2 different paint schemes, first in her wartime navy gray, and once fully operational, her current Hawaiian Railway Society yellow and green. Today, number 174 serves on the R&L historic main line, occasionally pulling excursion trains and helping preserve the story of Hawaii's wartime and industrial rail heritage. 174 is more than just a restored locomotive. It's a rolling piece of living history. We'll be back soon with new episodes, so stay tuned and ahui ho!